mean, nothing is impossible in this life. Whether you come from a bad background where your parents don't have money, you can always make your own way. You know?
done.
Always make your own way, and there is hope out there.
You've just come 40th in the
40th.
Cape Town Cycle Tour.
Yeah.
You're a professional cyclist. You used to be a gangster.
Yeah.
What do you say to the other boys in the gangs that are thinking there's no way out?
No, I mean, if you believe and you pray, and there's always hope out there. And if you work hard, you know, and if you put in the effort in doing something, if you really have a dream, and you put in the effort to achieve it, you know, make your way, you know, ask people for help, ask people for advice, and take it from there, and yeah, start doing something to earn money, like start a car wash, start cleaning people's yard. You know, if you really want to get into a sport and you want to buy you the equipment of the sport that you want to get into, start your own business by asking people for help. Go to car washes, go to people that has businesses and ask them that, tell them your dream and tell them that you want to save money, and just try and make connections everywhere you go, and ask for advice everywhere you go. That's what I did. And that's how I got my first bike. I started my car wash. I went around to people asking if I can wash their wheels, and it just grew and grew.